Anthony have super big lips too?
No.
Or so small?
Yeah.
Like small, or like average?
I don't know what that measure.
I don't say you measure them. Never mind.
Haha, I guess.
Asshole.
Charlie. She told you.
I said no, sorry, no, you're gonna be like, no, no, because I was like, don't tell him that.
To text me, I know.
I know what you guys are about, I know what you guys are doing.
You don't have to lie to me.
You take this hair?
No, stop.
Why?
I don't know. I don't like feet. Don't. You see my hair's purple?
Why do you have your hair purple? You can't have that at school.
Well, because when it was pink, I had to dye it.
To what?
To brown, but it didn't go brown, it went purple. And then Katie turned purple after I did. But hers turned blonde.
So you guys hang out all the time now, or what?
No, I only saw her now.
Oh.
No!
I told you. He's got my back. My nigga's got my back. He doesn't want to tell me like my nigga, you got my back.
Jake's Jack. She told me.
No, I didn't. You found out.
I looked at her phone. At herpes.
At herpes?
At herpes. I looked at herpes.
You looked at herpes. Why would you want to see those nasty blister pimple things?
Because I like it.
You said that at the worst time, Tiffany. You're nasty, man.
Oh, God.
Oh, you miss me, huh? Ouch! Look at this, what you did. You don't miss me.
I sticked it back together.
What?
Your heart.
No, you didn't. You still hurt me. You don't miss me. Nessa, you with anybody?
You said that, Nessa?
No, Olga. No.
Olga, just as bad.
Olga's prettier.
I'm
Just
prettier.
an argument. You're straight.
I know.
I'm prettier. Why are you throwing yourself out there? If you don't like vagina.
I'm just stating that I'm prettier.
Okay.
Doesn't matter if I like boys or girls. It just matters who's prettier. Me.
That doesn't help me any, Tiffany. Doesn't benefit my life.
It benefits mine.
I guess. Are you laughing?
No, I'm recording this.
Look my leg in there. Look at Shantae's another too.
Your feet stink.
Because of the shoes. Because my moccasins smell really bad. I need a new pair. Do you have socks?
No.
You don't own socks.
I threw them all away.
Why?
Because I only use little baby socks.
Where? Oh no!
Oh god! It wasn't
Oh,
Jake!
no.
Yeah, why did you see what Jake told you? Why did Jake tell you? Yes, he asked you!
No, not since I told him my nigga.
Yes, he did!
No, I said my nigga, you got my back, right? Look.
You probably deleted it.
No, he hasn't texted me at all.
I don't see it. Go down.
Oh, that's my inbox though. Look, my sent. Look right there. I texted it.
You're retarded. This thing makes my teeth look straight. I like it.
Actually, my skin looks smooth and clear. My teeth are straighter. It doesn't have your funny face.
Shut up!
Other pictures. This side.
Here's my face definition. Shut up!
What do you want to roll? How did you do it?
I do it in the middle. I don't do it to the side. I don't go.
But your face is sideways. Like that! Your face moves. Stop trying to practice it. I gotta perfect it. Like in Zoolander. Have you seen that?
Yeah.
And it's like the same freaking
It's like
pose. Every time I watch it now, I think of you. I'm like, you look a stiffy.
Shut up.
You look a stiffy. It's so funny. How long is the thing gonna record for?
A year.
How much memory you got on the computer left?
A year.
367 days. I don't know. How many days are in 365? So there's like 320 days left. I mean, 50. I mean, I don't know.
Okay, I'm gonna start recording. Bye.